to Sesame Street and welcome to my room.
Hi, Gabby. I'm ready for the sleepover.
Did you guess?
What?
Like a bounce-a-thon.
What's a bounce-a-thon?
Well, we take turns sitting on the bed like this, and we see who makes the most bounces.
Oh, well, that's great. Who goes first?
You want to make us, Big Bird? You go first.
Okay. Okay, what do I do?
Sit on the bed and bounce.
You fucking moron.
Well, I'm sitting, so here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Oh.
Now look what you've fucking done.
Shut the fuck up before I come back there and slap your tits.